Are you ready to learn everyday English? Lesson 166. I came across. Let's go.
우연히 발견하는 것은
To come across. To come across.
우연히 발견하는 것은 우연히 발견했어요.
To come across. Came across. To come across. Came across.
나는 우연히 발견했어요.
I came across. I came across.
흥미로운 영화.
An interesting movie. An interesting movie.
나는 우연히 흥미로운 영화를 발견했어요.
I came across an interesting movie. I came across an interesting movie.
TV에서
On TV. On TV.
나는 TV에서 우연히 흥미로운 영화를 발견했어요.
I came across an interesting movie on TV. I came across an interesting movie on TV.
어젯밤
Last night. Last night.
어젯밤 나는 TV에서 우연히 흥미로운 영화를 발견했어요.
Last night, I came across an interesting movie on TV. Last night, I came across an interesting movie on TV.
나는 우연히 발견했어요.
I came across. I came across.
예쁜 조개.
A pretty seashell. A pretty seashell.
나는 우연히 예쁜 조개를 발견했어요.
I came across a pretty seashell. I came across a pretty seashell.
해변에서
On the beach. On the beach.
나는 해변에서 우연히 예쁜 조개를 발견했어요.
I came across a pretty seashell on the beach. I came across a pretty seashell on the beach.
나는 우연히 발견했어요.
I came across. I came across.
오래된 사진 앨범.
An old photo album. An old photo album.
나는 우연히 오래된 사진 앨범을 발견했어요.
I came across an old photo album. I came across an old photo album.
청소하는 것은
To clean. To clean.
내 옷장.
My closet. My closet.
내 옷장을 청소하는 것은
To clean my closet. To clean my closet.
내 옷장을 청소하다가
While cleaning my closet. While cleaning my closet.
나는 내 옷장을 청소하다가 우연히 오래된 사진 앨범을 발견했어요.
I came across an old photo album while cleaning my closet. I came across an old photo album while cleaning my closet.
오늘은 여기까지. 구독과 좋아요. Thank you for watching. See you next time. 안녕.